Alright, so I'm out here once more. I just realized that the camera was on mute, so this is my second take. So yeah, we have Kaze Mullins right here, so he'll be assisting me with the shoot. I have the camera them almost ready to set up, so everything is over there, and this is the location that we're shooting. It is called Back Road. Yes, Back Road. Remember, make sure to start this up right now. So let me put this over here. This kind of feel heavy. So this is the AD400 Pro. You get me? Nice photo softbox. You get me? Very small, so it can actually fit underneath here. Yeah, so it just bring it up a little higher. All right. So and then I have the AD200 right here, so I can get a little rim light right on our here. Let me turn this baby on. All right, so it's turned on. Let me see what's going on. So I can get a little rim light right here. So good thing about this light, it doesn't require a soft, but good thing about this light, it doesn't require a sandbag. This one requires a sandbag because, you know, any simple breeze catch this. That's it for this. But okay, so Kazi is going to apply the sandbag right there. You feel the breeze, I move it a little. You said the breeze not move this?
Not enough to turn it over.
Up here, so just lock up here, so up here, so tighten. So basically, yeah, so basically the person's supposed to be underneath here, so probably you'd have to bring the light over some more. The light would have to come over a little bit more. Yeah. Alright, so let me get this camera thing started. So guys, so for today I'm shooting with the Fuji X H2 because yo, I've totally switched to Fuji for shooting photos. Yo, I love this camera setup right now. So I'm shooting on the VILTROX 75 f1.2. Alright, so I'm modeling the car. She'll be out soon, and I have a AD400 Pro right there and an AD200, and this is the backdrop. Currently around Back Road, so let's see how it goes. Let's turn up some. Yeah, so basically this are the angle I'm saying I gotta work from. Go. No man, go closer, I'm see something. But it actually look good still.
Yeah, the visionary, you know.
Is it me? So, but right, so the light that the AD200 is slightly too bright. Yeah. Alright, so why too bright? Is it a blind or? Is it data blind, yo? Alright, so let me see how this looks. Dead on. It's too bright. Oh, light off. Testing.
Well, I'm never come look at which one I top girl in this. You don't
So guys, I was rudely interrupted a while ago. My apologies. You get me?
But sex seller.
But you know, I can't see them. You know, I can't see them thing there on the thing there. You know, I can't see them.
Decent. You know, never say the bad version.
Alright, so let me try again. Alright, so look at me. Ah, that's nice. Let me just turn up this a little bit more. B is on 60. No, look at me. Alright, so let me come out a bit. Look to your left. Why people always make that mistake? Look to your left.
Which one are you left?
Yeah, that's nice. One more. Look to your right. Hold the pedal a little bit. Yeah. Oh, nice.
I like how the sun now reflect on this. It really, I do not know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
So, see, look here.
Actually, we can see.
Yeah, it actually.
Yeah.
I like when it actually reflect in the eyes. It's look really nice. You get me? But you don't really need it out here. But I just like how it look. You get me? That's just my preference. All right. So I'm going to keep that. Love it. One more. All right, let me do a side shot. See where we at, Kazi. All right, so change up the angle right now. All right, so I'm all the way out here. Turn your body this side. Come, step back a bit. Yeah. Nice. Keep that. All right, look at me. Yeah, look at me this time. Lovely. All right. Yeah. So lean up on this. Let me see. Yes. Ooh, that's nice. Hold on there. That's really nice. Yeah, lean up. That's lovely. Close your eyes. So when you're leaning, yeah. So even if you can lean and go like this. Yeah. And hold up your head a bit. No, lean on to the wall, but hold up your chin a bit. Yeah. Nice. Hold it. Close your eyes. Hold up your head. Look at me. That is so lovely, yo. That's what I tell people, you know. Fuji is such a nice option. You get me? So let me try and change the angle again. So if it's a case where you can slightly tip, you get me? You were doing it a while ago, I like it. Just slightly tip, and I look back. You get me? Ready? Surprise, this AD400 actually work for me. So, because I don't like when the light is so harsh. Yeah, that's true, you know, but I'm telling you, I just don't like when the light is too direct on the person. You get me? Like right now, the angle that I'm shooting at is really too direct, so I'm just gonna turn the angle. No, you're good. Let me get like a full body shot from right out here, so. All right. Yo, I was running because of the light a while ago because of that move. All right, so that was basically good. So let me switch the angle now. So I probably want to shoot and get this side, right? Get this side, but let me, shoot and get this side. Yeah, the bird them. Oh shit! Damn, that's bright. That's really bright. So that's 2 plus 16. Do our next test shot again. That's nice. So I think I can probably just get a half and half. Lovely. Look at me. Look directly at me. Look at me directly. Hold on your chin a bit. Hold down your chin. All right. Nice. One more. Look to the road. Lovely. Well, I'm doing different. So let me come back a bit. Nice. You love Laffy? Where you want you to touch your afro?
Yeah.
Oh, plain or afro?
Yeah, like that.
Alright, yeah, keep that. Thanks for that, Kazi. Yeah, one more. Do a vertical picture. Nice, keep that. Yeah, that's it, look here. Yeah, it's nice. Yo, it's so funny when you say, yo, I tell the same, I see the wire them. I don't see anywhere.
No, man, because I remember say outside I shoot most of the time. So.
Yeah, so the mirror actually look nice still.
Always
So
a complaint about the wire.
So I am done for today.
Great shots.
I am done. What the focus say? Is the focus on me? Yes, so I am done for today. Yo, I look really tired right now. A bit oily because I need to go home and shower. I'm so tired. So because they're running the back of pat down. So that's it, guys. And so like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want me to do a full breakdown of this VILTROX 75 f 1.2, let me know. And yeah, that's it. Peace.